What's up, everybody? Today on TK Driven, we're going to restore these terrible windshield wiper arms off of Quicksilver, the 93 RX7. What's going on, guys? So these windshield wiper arms are just absolutely terrible. There's not any black left on them hardly. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these off and get them good and degreased and cleaned, and we're going to paint them back to black, make them look brand new. So on the FD Rx7, this little cap just pries off. Set that in your magic body frame holder over here, and this nut is a 12 millimeter. Snap that guy loose, and then just start working this guy off. It's a little bit spring loaded, like in here in this arm area. So if you get it lined up just right, it just comes right off. I've got some TSP substitute, cleans before painting. You can use it on a lot of different surfaces. Soak down a little bit of a rag in this stuff, and then just scrub away at your windshield wiper. Put you some plastic down and make sure you're not going to get any overspray on anything. Get you some hard black paint and start spraying, going back and forth. While the first coat of the black paint is drying, I've got some Meguiars Ultimate Black Restore stuff here. I'm going to restore this plastic piece that's at the bottom of the windshield. Just reverse the process to put them back on and check out these results. Extremely simple mod, major aesthetic results. From 93 to 2020. Just because I fixed your wiper blades doesn't mean I'm going to drive you in the rain. They just looked old, I'm sorry. It's okay, it's okay. Oh, sorry guys. Well, that's it for today's video. I really appreciate you guys liking and subscribing. I'm going to continue to console Quicksilver over the possibility of being driven in the rain. It'll be okay. Even if it does start to sprinkle, we'll get out of it quickly. There's no rust up under you. You'll be fine. I'll come straight home. Don't worry about it.